Hey guys, welcome to Technozar. This is Rohit Sharma, and in this video we are going to understand the concepts of combinational circuits. Okay, in this combinational circuit we know that the combinational circuits do not have any memory. Do not have any memory. Okay, also the input given produce the output. They do not depend upon the past as compared to sequential circuits. Okay, this much is about combinational circuit. Now we will study about the different types of combinational circuits like half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, coder, decoder, mux, DMAX, etc, etc. Okay, before starting the video, please join our Telegram group that is ISRO for ECE. Here daily quizzes are going on, and also we have launched our test series, India's first test series for ISRO technical assistant, in which we have included total 40 quality tests, in which 17 are full length tests and all are subject wise test and subject combination tests. So please join the test series. The registration will start from 28th of April. So let's start the video. First of all, we will talk about half adder. In half adder, we have taken two inputs A and B, and the truth table is 0001 1011. Okay, and the output will be half adder, that is sum. Output will be sum and the carry. Okay, sum will be given as the XOR gate, that is A XOR B, which is equal to A bar B plus AB bar, and the carry is given as AB. Okay, and the half adder is represented by this combination circuit by logic gate with the help of logic gates. Okay, this is known as half adder. Now we will go through subtractor. In subtractor also the difference is given by A XOR B, and the borrow in subtractor we get borrow, and borrow is given as A bar B. Okay, A bar, why this is A bar? Because there is a NOT gate here, A bar B, and in an AND gate A bar into B is A bar B. Okay, this is how we can analyze half subtractor. This is how we can analyze our half subtractor. Okay, now comes full adder. In full adder we have three inputs, that is 2 to the power 3, total 8 inputs will be there. A B C C is the carry input. Okay, and now we have made our truth table. On truth table, making truth table, we will get sum as A XOR B XOR C, and the carry we will get as AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, here C is C input. This is C input. Okay, remember this. This is how we can analyze a circuit called full adder. Okay, now we will come to full subtractor. What is full subtractor? In this, the difference is given as, by making the truth table, the difference is given as same as the sum in full adder, A XOR B XOR C, and the borrow is given as A bar B plus A bar C plus BC. Okay, this is the borrow equation. Okay, so please remember these equations so that this will be useful for you in the exams, and your time is not wasted in making truth table. Okay, now we will come to mux. What is a mux? And mux, a multiplexer. Mux is also called a multiplexer, which is also a data selector. It is a device that selects between several analog or digital input signal and forward to a single output line. You can see here 4 inputs are given and a single output is coming out. Okay, how we can calculate the output? See this. Y is equal to S1 bar S0 bar into I0. Okay, plus S1 bar S0 into I1 plus S1 S0 bar into I2 plus S1 S0 into I3. This is how we can calculate our output. This is known as mux. Mux is, you can easily say, many inputs to one output, that is many to one. Okay, now we will come to our DMAX. What is DMAX? DMAX is also known as demultiplexer. In this, one input is given to get several output, that is in this is called as 1:4 DMAX, and in mux this is called as 4:1 mux. Okay, these are the select lines. S1 and S0 are the select lines here. Okay, and these are the output Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. Okay, this is called a DMAX. DMAX is also known as data distributor. They are distributing the data to various devices. Okay, now we will come to our code converters. Before this, a very important question is there: how many 2 cross 1 mux is required to implement logic gate? Suppose we have to implement NOT gate that is A and A bar, we have to implement this NOT gate through a mux, okay, through a 2x1 mux. Then only 1 mux is required. For AND gate 1 mux is required, for OR gate 1 mux is required, for XOR and XNOR gate we have 2 mux. 2x1 2 mux will be required to implement XOR and XNOR gate, and for NAND and NOR gate 2x1 mux are required to implement NAND and NOR gate, that are the universal gates. Okay, suppose if a question comes, if you want to implement half adder, how many 2x1 mux are needed? Okay, we know that half adder is made up of XOR gate, from where we get the sum, and the AND gate, from where we get the carry. XOR gate we require 2. For XOR gate we require 2 2x1 mux, and for AND gate we require 1. Then total for half adder we require 3 2x1 mux. This is how we can calculate these type of question, and these questions are very important as ISRO exam point of view. Okay, so let's see our code and code converter. What are code and code converters? First is binary to gray code converter. Okay, binary to gray converter, we have taken one number 11101. Okay, now this number is taken as 1 simply here. Now 1 XOR 1 is 0, 1 XOR 1 is 0, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1. Now we can write 11101 as 1001 in gray code. Okay, this is how we can convert our binary to gray code. Okay, now comes our gray to binary code converter. In this, how we will do this? Suppose this is a gray code 10011, and now we have to convert this into binary. Now first of all, 1 is taken as 1 here. 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, and 1 is simply taken as 1 here. Okay, 0 XOR 1 is 1 here. Okay, now 1011 in gray code will be 11101. Okay, this is how we can convert our gray to binary or binary to gray. These type of question can also come in our exams for ISRO. This is only a 1 mark question. If you know these type of techniques, you can easily convert binary to gray and gray to binary. Okay, this is the conclusion video for combinational circuit. This much is only important for your exam point of view, whether it is VSSC, HSFC, only this much will come from combinational circuits. Okay, this much will come from combinational circuit. If you have any doubt related to this, so please join our Telegram group, that is ISRO for ECE, and ask your doubts and discuss with me there. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is very important, so that you can get further updates about anything related to the exam. Okay, so all the very best. We will meet in the next video.